Meron lang akong mula alas 4 ng hapon hanggang alas 10 ng gabi para makapaglibot sa hotdog. And wala tayong nakaset na itinerary kasi hindi natin alam kung saan tayo pupunta dito. So ang ginawa natin, nagtanong na lang tayo sa ChatGPT ng itinerary para masulit natin yung 6 na oras na meron tayo. Samahan nyo ako at tingnan natin kung sulit ba yung mga recommendations na binigay niya. Alright, first on the list is place called The Note Coffee. So dyan tayo pupunta. Alright, we found it dito sa ating Google Maps and according to Google, it's just a 7-minute walk. Alright, I think we're nearby. Can I have one of this?
Una coffee.
Coffee? Yeah. Is that only hot or no?
Ice one. Yeah.
I wanna try the ice.
Ice one.
Yeah, I'll try the tiramisu.
Yes.
Meron na tayong order. And we are number 39. Dumating na yung order natin, which is itong egg coffee at saka itong tiramisu. The next thing na sinabi ni ChatGPT na pwede nating puntahan is St. Joseph Cathedral. Tumatawid kayo dito, just always be careful. We're very close to sa puntahan natin. We're here! Okay, so this is the church and sa paligid ng church is marami naman kayong makikitang establishments. Hindi siya yung parang sobrang naka-isolate. Marami nangyayari sa paligid. Yung church is sarado so hindi tayo makapasok. So we're just gonna move on to our next destination. I can see kung bakit popular sa mga tourists yung cathedral na yun. It's just a different vibe kumpara dito sa nasa paligid ng church and maybe in general dito sa may old quarter sa Hanoi. If you're here in Hanoi, make sure that you go visit that place as well. Alright, now we're going to the lake. Actually, pwede nating puntahan yung lake kanina after nung Note Coffee pero we decided na magpunta muna dito sa cathedral kasi we're trying na timingan yung sunset doon sa lake kasi maganda yung sunset doon. The only thing is, masyadong makulimlim and I don't think makikita natin yung sunset. But it doesn't matter, we're still gonna go dun sa lake now after nitong cathedral. So that's gonna be our stop number 3. That's where the lake is. So walking distance lang din siya. Okay, nandito na tayo sa may lake and ito pa lang parang daanan dito sa may lake o yung road dito sa tabi ng lake kapag ka weekend is sarado siya sa sasakyan. So walking only itong kalsada na to, which is good. At least pwede tayong maglakad lang and not be worried about mga motor and mga sasakyan. Okay, medyo napagod na tayo kagalakad. So this is a very good time na pumunta muna tayo dito sa lake para medyo makapag-relax and just mag-reflect habang nandito tayo sa tapat ng lake. This is a very good time to recharge, good time to rest. Okay, mukhang may magandang puntahan doon na bridge. Yun puntahan natin. Alright, so this is a temple na pwede ninyong puntahan. Pero as you can see, meron siyang bayad. So the ticket is gonna cost you 50,000 Vietnamese dong. That's what you're gonna see inside. Okay, so medyo natagalan na tayo dito sa lake. Parang lampas 1 oras na yata tayo dito. Hindi ko naman talaga basta-basta ng alis dito kasi ang daming scenic na view. Nevertheless, we have to move kasi kailangan nating maximize yung day. And yung next na pupuntahan natin is a place called Buncha Wong Lien. And dito tayo pinagsasuggest ni ChatGPT na mag-dinner. And apparently, that's a place na kung saan kumain si Obama. Naglalakad pa rin tayo dito sa may gilid ng lake. Papunta tayo dun sa next natin na destination kasi pwede tayong kumain. And yung lake biglang nag-transform. May ilaw. I gotta say though, itong part na to ng lake is parang mas lively kaysa dun sa kabilang side na pinanggalingan natin kanina. Mas maingay, mas maraming tao, mas maraming nangyayari. So I think this is just right, no? Abang palalim ng palalim yung gabi, sayang ng pasaya. Unless sa gabi lang to lumalabas talaga. Meron palang ganito pagkagabi. Alright, we're gonna cross the street. Oh ha? Kahit stoplight. Go lang. Kahit green, man. So yung pag-cross ng kalsada sa Vietnam, you have to be very careful. Kailangan yung tumingin ng ulit-ulit 5 times, 10 times. Hindi kayo hintuan, serious. Yes, malapit na raw tayo. 1 minute, 18 meters away. I think, ito na ata yun. This is the place. Walang payment by card, so this has to be cash. Yan pala yung in-order natin dito sa restaurant na to, yung Combo Obama. So yan yung mga laman. Total niyan is 130,000 Vietnamese dollar. Alright, so that's what we got. We got the beer. Then we got itong parang then we have this gulay and
all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What a grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much just to book in the frame.
We're gonna be paying this.
Things that were learned from me. Now it's just still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose sleeve.
Thank you very much.
Dance with a soft play. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Gotta
And now, pupunta na tayo dito sa next na recommend sa atin ng ChatGPT, which is Tha Hien Street. Now, sabi dito is a 31-minute walk. Layo.
But I couldn't help, you were such a mood. Sucker for a neck tattoo, so full of yourself.
After nung ating lakad, also known as Grab Ride, nandito na tayo sa ating last destination for the day. I think this is almost like a must pag pupunta ka ng Hanoi to feel the energy, the night energy of the place.
Sorry, couldn't make it.
Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa Beer Street and since nandito tayo, hindi na tayong beer. Pero nandito tayo sa may isang resto na kung saan nandito talaga literal sa tabi ng kalsada. Ito ko sa inyo kung saan ako nakuha. So yung restaurant. Ayan yung lamesa ko. Ayan yung mga dumadaan na tao. So mahirap dito sa pwesto natin. Since nandito tayo, daming nag-o-offer sa atin ng mga kung anong paninda. May nagbebenta ng mangga, may nagbebenta ng kung anong prutas meron. May nag-o-offer ng pantamit ng cellphone, may nag-o-offer din, yung parang glass sa cellphone, may nag-o-offer din ng maglilis sa sapatos ko. Alright, yung police dito ba ito, yung biglang may clear out. And then, ayan, meron pa ulit! Total chaos po, tagpwede matatag ng mga polis. Luminis yung kalsada. Kalampas na yung polis. Babalik na lahat sa normal. O anong sanay na sila dito. Alright, what a night. Nakatiming ba tayo ng ganon? Ay dumating na parang nag-ronda. Biglang nagkagulo dito. 2 beses umikot yung mga polis. So yung unang daan, taripa sila. Tapos nung dumaan na, balik ulit. Pero bumalik na naman yung mga polis. Karipas na naman. Pero wala namang nangyari. Dumalang talaga. Andito pa rin naman ito nga ito. Hindi naman magbabago. Well, I think that's the end of our night. Kanina pa tayo nasa labas and it's already getting late. Alright, okay naman yung mga binigay sa atin ng recommendation ni ChatGPT. And what a way to cap off the night. Sabi ko nga, what a way to cap off the day. Nakakapagod pero sulit. I'm pretty sure there are many ways to enjoy Hanoi, pero that one, I definitely enjoy it. So maraming salamat sa inyong mga nanood. See you again.